What's good, everyone? Welcome back to my channel, Mr. FX. If you are new here, my name is Mustafa, and on this channel, we're gonna break down the market and also analyze this market this coming week. In my last video, we analyzed gold and it moved over 1700 pips upside the way I said it. So if you haven't seen yet, you can check it out after this video. Before we start, I just want to make it clear. This is not financial advice. I'm not recommending you to buy or sell anything. I'm simply showing you how I analyze the market. So yeah, and how I think about the price. So in today's video, we are going to break down gold and take a look how I'm analyzing the first week of 2026. I'll walk you through the key levels I'm watching, the market structure, and the overall direction I'm paying attention to. So this is purely for educational purpose. So the goal here is to help you understand the process, not just the trade itself. So let's get it. As you guys see right now, we are on the 4-hour time frame. As you guys see, there is no signs that the buyers are in charge. Still the sellers are in charge, right? Still the market is downtrending, making lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower highs. Maybe it's gonna make lower low. We never know, right? So as you guys see, the first place, I'm gonna show you two place. So this place is resistance area, okay? That place is resistance area. Because of there's a lot of sellers that place, the market reacts to that place 2 times because of there is more sellers than buyers. So the second thing I'm showing you is, as you guys see here, the market resists 1, 2, 3 times, reject that place because of there is more buyers. That support area, it is a strong support area, or as you guys know, demand zone, or whatever you know it. So this support area, like that place is very strong buyers place. The market gonna came here react, because of it is a strong place. So my expectation or the place is that I'm gonna take my trade, my area of interests are this place. This market, if it came here into this support area, I'm gonna wait till it breaks that resistance area. So whenever it breaks that resistance area and retest, that's the place I'm gonna enter my second trade till the all-time high, right? So where is my second trade? So my second trade is the market close on Friday here. On Sunday night, if the market opens with high volume buyers and it breaks this resistance area and retest, that's the place I will enter my first trade. Because of until that, I'm not entering any trade because of I'm watching and I want my A plus trade. Those are my A plus trades. That is what I'm waiting for. So here, this place and this place, right? Those are my 2 trades. So yeah, like don't take this trade with me. I'm not recommending this trade to take with me. So, and also, I want to tell you only 2 advices, right? So the first thing is patience. That is the most important thing you will do in your trading career. That's it. Basically in all types of trade, like all type of currencies, all, if it is gold, if it is NAS, if it is NQ, if it is EU, if it is whatever you're trading, okay, whatever, the main thing you would do is patience. If you watch the market will come to you saying, hey, I have this trade for you, can you take it? I'm telling you guys, patience. Just watch the market, don't trade. No trade is always a trade. It is a good trade. If you don't trade, it is very, very good trade, right? And the second thing is, don't overtrade. That's it. If you lose, that's it. Move. Overtrading, revenge trading. That's it. Okay? So as you guys see you this week and these trades. All right, see you in the next video.